be able to create your own WhatsApp mobile stores that increase conversion by 13 times. This is different from a random e-commerce store. This allows you to build mobile WhatsApp stores and take orders inside WhatsApp. So here you click on register to create an account. Then you give your store a name, store name, email, password, and then once you're done, you log in. So this is your Zap AI WhatsApp store. As you can see your dashboard, you can see your total product, total sales, total orders, recent orders, then the store analytics. You'll be able to see everything. Also, you can view your store here. So if you want to add a product, you can come to click add new products. So let's say I want to add new products. I'm just going to fill in the details. So you fill in the product details. You can even generate with AI. And once you're done, you just click on save. That's how to add your product to your store, as you can see. So you can see if you come to themes, you can see the different themes that you can have your WhatsApp store. Can you see? This is how your WhatsApp store looks like. So now let's just view our store. Go to dashboard, click on store link, copy it, can open it in a new tab, see our store. You can see this is our store. If you click on it, you'll be able to see details. If you click on add to cart, it takes you here and you see delivery. You enter your details, then proceed to checkout. So you see different options to pay. So you'll be able to place order live inside WhatsApp.